Okay, so let's go. So in using search folders, we're going to scroll down. We're going to find our search folder, right click, new search folder, and we're going to search by category. And we can select which category we'd like to select by. So in this example, let's use client number 2. Let's say we have a client and whenever an email comes in, we have a rule that says if it comes from this domain, we're going to automatically categorize it as client number 2. So we just click OK. We have that message there. Now, anytime that a message comes in from that particular client, we're going to be able to easily find it no matter which folder it's in. It'll be right there. And as you can see, a message can fall into 2 different categories and we can still find it no matter where it is. So it doesn't matter if you found it somewhere different. You'll always be able to find it. One way I used to use this a lot was to make sure that I always could see the emails from my immediate supervisor and any executives. I had those at the top so that I could easily find any of those messages. So, what about our tip number 2, using quick steps? So, we already have one built here. Let's see. And I clicked the wrong one really quick. So, let me come out of this so you can see. All right. So, I'm back. So, in order to dive into the quick step that I've already built, I have a rule that replies to a message, moves it to a folder, and also categorizes it. And although I have it so that it always prompts, you actually can make it so that it always goes to a particular folder. So you don't have to answer anything. You just click the button and you're done. So for instance, if I wanted to go back to the right folder, if I wanted to automatically file a message and mark it with the yellow category, I could do that in one step, or I could preserve it the way that it is now and ask each time that I press the button that it asks me. So let's go back and now go in and press that button. So we're going to use the one from today. We're going to find it. And you notice that it's going to ask us what folder we want to put it in. We're going to put it in our filed emails folder and we're going to press OK. It automatically adds whoever we want into the message. It also has sample text. So now this is when we can come into our tip number 3, using quick parts. So we already have saved the message that we always use. So we can go to the Insert tab, go over to the text group, go to quick parts, and then we could select the text that we'd like to add to our message. And we can add multiple things. So let's say we had some formatted language with branding. So we had certain colors or sizes that we wanted to also use. We could do that as well. And now our email is ready. And all we have to do is hit the send button. I'm not going to send because this will reject, but I just wanted to demonstrate that. So hopefully you can think of some way that you could use our first 3 steps.